Hi guys, today we're going to learn about design. Design is a really big word, but it's got an easy meaning. It just means to plan something or to make something. So that means that everything you have on your desk or in your school bag has been designed by someone. That means that first they would have drawn it on paper or on a computer, and then someone on a machine or by hand made it. The question is design important? How do you get water? Well, you get it out of a tap. This tap was designed by someone. I wonder what they used to use back in the olden days. They would use a well. You simply put your bucket down the well and pull it up full of water. It's so simple. But does that mean design was used or not? The answer is yes. Even though the well is so simple, it was still designed by someone. This bucket, for example, was designed by someone. Imagine if the bucket was too heavy or too big and I couldn't pull it out of the well because it's so heavy. Or if the bucket was too small, it would take me all day to get enough water to use. Or if the bucket has holes in it, that would be a bad design. So design is everywhere. So what do we use water for? Can you guys think of anything? I'm sure you've already thought of heaps of things, like showers or cooking, washing, cleaning, and of course, and most important, for drinking. When we are at school, we normally drink out of a bottle. Have you ever wondered why your bottle looks the way it does? Well, imagine if your bottle was too small. Or what if your bottle was too big? I wonder if you've ever thought about what your bottles feel like. They're plastic. What if we made it out of paper? So that means the designers of our bottles have thought about these things and have designed a bottle that works for us here at school. In a minute, I'm going to get all of you guys to go and grab your bottles out of your bags, and we're going to have a look at the different bottles we have here today. Once you've grabbed your bottle, we're going to design our very own bottle, just like these ones. So, how did we go? Did your bottles look something like this? I bet they looked better. Congratulations, you've all just become little designers. One more thing we need to think about when we're designing is what happens to the product when we're finished with it. Does it go into the bin, or can it be used again? Have you ever wondered where your rubbish goes? It goes to a place like this, a dump. So now that we know where our rubbish goes, we need to think about what we do with our rubbish. Like a drink bottle, we can reuse it lots of times. And then, when you no longer need them, you can put them in a special plastic recycle bin so that a big machine can melt them down and reuse them for something else, somewhere else in the world. In our classroom we have two bins, one for paper and one for all our other rubbish. Some places even have an extra bin for plastics. Let's all use these special bins so that we can all look after our big, beautiful world that we love so much.